Okay, we're gonna try this. This just in, I'm Justin, and I'll be your Sunday on TaxxiCabCollab. That's pretty bad. That was terrible. I don't know if I can really use that pun. Okay. My name is Justin Bird, and I'll be your Sunday on TaxxiCabCollab. My last name is Bird. Bird. This is gonna be my first video on TaxxiCabCollab, preferably. Hopefully. If it isn't, I'm gonna be really confused because I'm the one putting it up. So. I'm supposed to state 5 facts about myself. 5 facts. 5. First fact. Fact number 1. Huge Beatles fan. Very, very big Beatles fan. I don't know if I can even show this, but this Abbey Road water bottle, one of my things I got for Christmas. I got Beatles Monopoly for my birthday, which, you know, was last Thursday. I'm 17 now. That's not going to be one of my facts, but it's up there. It's up in the air. Second fact. Number 2, second fact. I like to draw. It's pretty fun. Addicting. So something I've drawn. Third fact. Now that you know I like anime, you should probably know I'm trying to learn Japanese right now. I'm in Japanese 3 in high school, and I pretty much go through. We don't learn very much. It'll take a long time for me to learn this language, but I'm gonna try. And at some point I want to live in Sapporo, Japan for anywhere from like a month to a year, and if I like it a lot, I'll stay, and I'll keep going. Fourth fact. I play piano. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like, YouTube kind of piano. Like, I just watch YouTube tutorials, and I learn how to play piano. I don't even know if I would consider that playing. It's really bad. I can't read sheet music. I've tried. Terrible at it. Very slow. And I could practice, but I don't know any of the other clefs besides treble clef. So it's really just sort of pointless. Piano! Yeah. I think that's 4 facts. 4 facts, yeah. That's a lot. 5th fact. 5. The 5th fact. During my last take of this recording, my 5th fact was my birthday, which I feel is very lame, and I've already stated that in the previous fact. So what to say? Video game nerd? Video game nerd. I love video games. Played video games ever since I was little. I started with Nintendo 64, which has some of, in my personal opinions, the best games that have ever existed. Especially Banjo-Kazooie. Yeah, now I play Xbox a lot. My Wii broke. It broke! It just quit working. It's really sad because I like my Wii. Those are the 5 facts. And I'll see you next Sunday. I don't know who tomorrow is. I really should learn the order.